So ayun na nga guys, for this video, papakita natin yung sample ng kuha nitong Aventa Smart Glasses guys. Panoorin nyo. Ito pala yung flight ko last time sa Cebu Pacific. Ayan, huwag kayong magtaka, si Insan yung nandyan. Menekos-mekos niya na yung passport natin. Karamihan sa staff nila sa Narita, mga Insan natin. Pero wag ka on time sa Narita madalas. At syempre, shoutout sa mga mababait, magaganda at gwapong cabin crew ng Cebu Pacific, lalo na sa flight na to. Ayan, makikita nyo na suot natin yung smart glasses guys, at nonood tayo ng safety procedures.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket.
So after 4 hours may get guys, bababa na tayo ng eroplano. Napakagaling talaga magpa-landing ng mga pilot ng Cebu Pacific. Thank you po sa safe flight. Terminal 3 na tayo. Ayan guys, tuloy po kayo. Dito naman sa immigration, bawal na dito. Cut! So nandito na tayo guys sa baggage claim area sa arrival. So mapapansin nyo sa video, medyo maalog siya. Hindi pa kasi ganun kaganda yung stabilization nitong smart glasses na to, pati yung ibang mga brand. Kaya binawi ko na lang sa transition guys, kagaya nito. Di ba? Diyan na lang ako bumawi ng konti. So eto na yung sa may custom area guys. Buti na lang walang egis yung bagahe ko. Minsan kasi meron, wala naman silang makuha. Sana all may sumasalubong. So ayan guys, tingnan nyo, pag naglalakad ka, umaalog din yung video. Yun lang. At eto na yung sundo natin guys. Nag-book ako sa InDrive. Shoutout kay kuya. Yan ang lagi kong ginagamit, InDrive. Mas mura kasi compared dun sa iba. So hanggang dito na lang video natin guys. Ayan. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.